Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this waterproof housing for the GoPro Hero 9. Alright, so I got this waterproof housing. Although the GoPro Hero 9 is water resistant, I decided to get a case because with the case it can go up to 164 feet of underwater, so it can protect your GoPro. So right here you get the little screw for the housing. This is about 3.5 inches high by 3.3 inches wide by 1.6 inches deep. So this fits the GoPro Hero 9. It is waterproof up to 196 feet or 60 meters. So you do get an extra back on the back. So if you don't want to use the harder shell, this one has a little bit of a rubber on the back, so you can actually use the touchscreen feature. So this is a strong structure for forced impact. It has been tested. It is touch friendly. Touch your camera from the back display with this one. It's like a rubbery, where this one here that is automatically on it, it is not. It is a hard shell, so you cannot touch the screen. It'll make it hard, so they give you an extra one. So this is what it looks like. You got where your window mark, you've got the back, you've got the stand for any tripods, any selfie pods. So just screw this on. This is lightweight. The lens' waterproof housing case is made of an ultra-thick tempered glass with high light transmittage, which can keep a good photo shooting results and maintain clear and vivid video quality. Your movement and photographic effects are also unaffected by anti-surfaces, so you don't get no glare, any glitches when you're recording. It is great for up to 160 feet or 50 meters. It is made of high quality shell. It is likely so that it won't buckle under waterproof pressure. So you just tighten this up here. When you're done with that, you just remove it. And if you want to replace it with this one here, you just remove the top and then remove the backing case. So you do have the little buttons, so you can press to record. So to open this up, you're going to have to press the other side. Right here, you just push it. It lifts up. And it pulls back. So this one's a little tight. You're going to have to use your nails for the back and pull it off. Just pop it off right here with your nails. Then you got the side button for your mode. So now we're just going to try to pop this off with our nails. And this is what it looks like in the front. So when you want to lock it up, you just push it down and it grabs it. Okay, so you just pop it up. It was a little hard, so now that's the back. You have a little metal thing at the bottom, so that's what removes the back part to switch it out. So it does come with some plastic film to keep it from scratching. So you can see at the bottom, if you want to switch it out. Here's my GoPro 9. I'm just going to slide it in there, just as is. And then you just close it up. It's a little clip that just folds over the top of it. You can see the little clip over it. Push it forward and it'll lock in place. And then you have your little buttons at the top to record, also to change the mode. If you want to take it out, you just move that little black thing over to the side and you can see that your lens is clear of. It's got a crystal clear view. You've got your mode button right here. At the bottom you have where you can put it on a tripod or any kind of stand. So now this back right here will not allow you to touch the screen. So now it gets the front as well as the back. So this one here does not allow you to change the screen or touch the screen. That's why they gave you another one, which is like the rubber style. So this tells you how to take it off, how to remove it. There's your mode button. Like I said, you can't change the screen here, so you do have the extra one. Down here is your tripod. So it is really lightweight and gets really good views underwater. I mean, although we know that the 9 is waterproof, it's good if you're going to go deeper. So now this one here has like the metal stand that you can just remove it from the bottom here and clip it on in there. That will allow you to touch the screen on recording modes. So now I'm just going to remove this. Just lift that to the sideways, pop it up and over, grab with your nails, pop it out. I think that's a little hard the first time because it is stuck to it, so you have to really get in there and pop it out. But once you got it in and out, it's easy. So this part right here, you just remove it and then you just clip it onto the bottom one here. This one is the rubbery material, so you can change the screen. With this one right here, it does not allow you. So overall, this is a really nice case. It is compared to the one that GoPro sells themselves, but at half of the price. It is really nice. It does not affect the recording at all. It is nice and clear. So if you're going a bunch farther underwater, more than what the actual GoPro allows, this one here will give it added security, making sure that it is kept nice and clean and dry. So if you're interested in a waterproof case for your GoPro Hero 9, I would definitely recommend this one. This one is a really nice lightweight case and I highly recommend it.